Hello students, myself Dr. Jyoti and Department of Botany, Government College for Women Tosham. Today we will start our next topic, that is on the chemical and molecular structure of DNA. Watson and Crick give the structure of DNA after using the study of two different scientists, Lewis Pauling and Corey. In 1953, the Pauling and Corey give the three-dimensional structure of DNA, but which was not highly successful. Then in the early 1953, Watson and Crick together combines the data of physical and chemical properties and proposed a new model, that is the DNA double helix structure of DNA. There are some main characteristics of Watson and Crick models of DNA. The two strands of DNA lie antiparallel to each other, like this. The 3' of one strand is opposite to the 5' strand of the other DNA molecule, other strand of DNA. The diameter of DNA is 20 angstroms, and there are the two grooves of DNA, that is known as minor groove and that is the major groove. And there are approximate the 34 angstroms height at the per turn, and in which there are the 10 base pairs of nucleotide are involved. The physical properties of DNA. According to Watson and Crick, the DNA is a double helix structure which consists of two polypeptide chains. These two polypeptide chains are spirally and helically twisted with each other, just like the twisted ladder. Both the polynucleotide strands having opposite polarity, which means two strands which will run in the antiparallel direction, that is one in the 5' to 3' and other in the 3' to 5'. The diameter of double stranded DNA helix is 20 angstrom. The distance between two nucleotides is 3.4 angstroms, which also referred as the internuclear distance. The length of DNA helix is 34 angstrom after a full turns, which consists of 10 base pair. The DNA is twisted in right-handed directions, or we can say in a clockwise direction. There are some chemical properties of DNA, out of which first of all the nucleotide, four different type of nucleotides present in the DNA, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Adenine and guanine are the purines molecules, consist with the single ring structure. Cytosine and thymine are the pyrimidines, which are the double ring structures. Two strands are complementary to each other, means the purine always bind with the pyrimidines, like the adenine pair with the thymine and guanine pair with the cytosine. The nucleotide base pair presents in the polynucleotide strand of DNA bind with each other by the hydrogen bonding. Adenine bind with the thymines by the two hydrogens bond, and guanine is bind with the cytosines with the 3 hydrogens bond. According to the Chargaff rules, means the number of purines is always equal to the number of pyrimidines, because the base pair compositions in the purine is equal to the pyrimidines. So these are obey the Chargaff rule. Polynucleotide strand of DNA consists three major components: nitrogenous base, sugar and phosphate group. The DNA backbone consists with the sugar and phosphates and base pairs which lies toward the centers and bind with each other through the hydrogens bond and provide the stability to DNA. There are some other properties of DNA molecule. First is denaturations. If we increase the temperature of DNA molecules, both strands of DNA separated from each other, and if we decrease the temperatures, then both strands of DNA further bind with each other. Then hyperchromicity. If the nucleotide of DNA is separated from each other, like the adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine, all of they are separated from each other, then the absorption of ultraviolet radiations of DNA is increased. That process is known as a hyperchromicity. But if the DNA further bind with each other, then the absorption of ultraviolet radiations is decreasing, and that process is known as a hypochromicity. Next property is the viscosity. Viscosity is actually measure of the fluid resistance to flow. Means जो liquid जो होता है उसकी internal resistance कितनी है to the flow. It describes the actually internal fractions of a moving fluid. The viscosity of DNA is very high. It decreases with increasing in the temperature. Next property is the optical rotations. Optical rotation of DNA is relatively constant up to the 75 degree Celsius temperature, and then decreasing smoothly to essential zero rotation at about 100 degree Celsius temperature. It indicates that completion of helix to coil transition. Means if we increasing the temperature from 75 to 100 degree Celsius, then the double helical structures of DNA is converted into the coil. Then the optical rotations is decreasing with the changing in the state. It indicates that the DNA will generate optical rotations changing in the state of high temperature and twisting. There are the different form of DNA. There are basically the 6 different form of DNA: A, Z, C, D, E and B. Out of with these 6, these 3 B, A and Z DNA is very important, and the DNA can attain the different conformations on the basis of their pH and ionic strength of the solution. These are the property of these 3 basic DNA which commonly found in the cell of living organisms. The helical sense of the A DNA is right-handed coiling, B is also right-handed and clockwise, the Z DNA is the left-handed. 75% relative humidity with the presence of ion like the sodium, potassium, cesiums convert DNA into the A form. 92% relative humidity with the low ion concentrations convert the DNA into the B conformations. Occur at the very high salt concentrations with alternating purine and pyrimidine base sequence, then the Z conformation is achieved. The cDNA is also right-handed coiling. 66% humidity with the presence of lithium and magnesium ions convert the DNA into the C conformation. Plane of the bases. They are the perpendicular to the helical axis into the A form, perpendicular to the helical axis on the B form, perpendicular to the helical axis also into the Z and C form. Rotation per base pairs. In the A DNA, the rotation per base pair is 33 degree, B DNA 36, in Z DNA 30 degree, and in the C DNA is the 38.6 degree. There are the number of the base pairs 2.56, rising in the base pair per turns is the 2.56 angstrom. In the B DNA there are the 3.38 angstroms, in the Z DNA 3.71 angstrom. Helix diameter is the 25.5 angstrom, 20 angstrom in the B DNA and 18 angstrom into the Z DNA. Base pair per turn in the A DNA 11 base pair, 10 base pair in the B form, 12 in the Z base pairs conformation and 9.33 base pair in the C form. Sugar phosphate backbone is normal in the A and B, and in the form of Z the sugar phosphate backbone is the zigzag conformation. Base pair tilt. The base pair tilt मतलब झुकाव, कितना झुकता है हमारा base pair, is the 19 degree, 6.3 degree in B form, 7 degree in the Z form and minus 7.8 degree in the C form. Helix pitch. In the A form of DNA that is the 25.5 angstrom, in the B 35.5, in the Z 45.6. There are the two different type of the groove, major groove and minor groove. In the A forms, major groove are the narrow and deep. In the case of B forms, the major groove are the wide and deep. In the Z form, major groove are the flat. Minor grooves are the wide and deep in the A form, narrow and deep in the case of B conformation, narrow and deep in the Z form. Then the Sugar-Pucker conformations. In the case of A form, these are the endo conformation. C2 at the second carbon atom also endo conformation. In here for the purines, these are the endo conformation, and for pyrimidine, these are also endo conformation at the second carbon atom. Thanks.